You know, in my travels, I have seen many incredible things. I have seen a ho-oh that trailed a rainbow behind it.
Whoa.
I have ridden a lapras as big as a house. But one of the most incredible things I have ever seen, maybe you when you're older, but not now, was a DugTrio that knew the answer to everything. In fact, he's going to come here tonight and answer some questions for you. So I'm going to need Eevee, Hypno, and Farfetch'd up.
Hypno.
And together, they somehow form DugTrio. So can I get some questions for the DugTrio that knows everything? You.
What is the difference between a goose?
And between a goose and
Well, goose don't
play
with children.
okay.
What do you guys look like under the ground?
That is a good question. What do you look like under the ground?
That
is
Not
for
you
to
here
now.
or
ever.
Yeah.
Still seem really secretive to me. We're on to you. We're going to find out one day. Another question. You.
What are the lyrics to your favorite pop song?
what?
Is
The
Meaning
of
you
and
me.
together.
My favorite song. You, Team Rocket.
What are your thoughts on earthquakes?
What are your thoughts on earthquakes? I've heard you've been the cause of a lot of...
ah!
None of that now. No, not that. What do you think about this?
ground
Is
Shaking.
One final question for DugTrio that knows everything. Let's go with you.
Can you fly? And if you can't, why not?
the
answer
To
that
question
is
only
when
I
attempt
to
fly?